All right, what's up, guys? So the Chaser's clutch is slipping. These are from race ramps, and they give you about a foot or higher of clearance underneath. Looking at Daddy's car.
$500? That's probably on the cheaper end.
No, I'm like, did I get it? It's all over your face. Good. Oh. Get it out of there. Oh. Oh.
All right,
Should I drop this?
No, I'd at least lower it and then put it here. It doesn't even fit in there, bro. If there was a bolt, it would not be moving at all.
It's not in gear, is it? Nah, they took it out.
Oh, yo! All it did was pinch right here.
Oh, that's why. See? Oh shit.
Yo, all right, this is what we needed. Is the shaft clear out?
No, not yet.
Oh!
Carry it, hold on.
I'm gonna Charlie horse, you motherfucker! Dude, ah!
What happened? Go.
Charlie horse. My right side.
You good?
No, yeah, I'm good. I just want to make sure.
Down to the freaking rivets. I just gotta put the dowel pins on the flywheel. Well, we should remove them first. You still see it?
Yeah.
could use bread, but just get this.
God, I'm using this.
Here we go. Let's see. Oh, guys, I did it. Yeah, I'm gonna mute that. Really bad acting.
What about this exhaust flange you made?
Oh, this is perfect. Now just hammer this. Now we do flywheel.
And action.
Oh yeah.
Bolt. No, I just. I should say.
Pretty good.
Damn, this was kind of tight.
0.14 is right there by.
You're not torquing it down yet. It's fine.
You're just questioning your pattern.
I never was
You
able to
fucked
make
your
a
own pattern
star.
up so many times trying to remember what you just did.
See, I'm gonna edit it to where I move it to the right ones. So you'll never know.
Take that Uber cup. That will be a fun thing to take.
You know what we're doing.
Right now, I love you, but I need you to go away. Thank you.
You want the protrusion towards the trannies.
Yeah, this is a flywheel.
Yeah, this is good.
In order to be the height.
Pinched up here. Let's first thing out exhaust.
Snuggish.
It's not flush. Yeah, you can see there's a gap right here. We just gotta bolt the bell housing and then put everything back together. Maybe it's underneath here. I have it here though. No pump, no problem. Let's see if this works. Drill a hole. Tire compressor. Kaboom. Oh! Well, if anything happens, it happens now. Ready? Like nothing happened. Thank you, sir.
Great success.
Told y'all, gang, we had this shit. 100% confidence.
Too easy.
Next.
One day's worth of work.
Just another transmission rebuild.